Introducing Lucky Sembhi Design Group. Transforming spaces, illuminating dreams, your home redefined. Bursting with colors and creativity, we weave magic into your abode. Experience joy in every corner, where aesthetics meet functionality. Let us adorn your home with a touch of elegance and modern allure. Discover a symphony of style that reflects your unique personality. From concept to reality, we make interior dreams come alive. Visit our website at www.luckysembhi.com for design inspiration. Call us now at 988-841-8939 to book a consultation. Embrace a cheerful, vibrant ambiance. It's time to make your home a happy space.